Gant Reynolds premium whiskey bars, 8 rise, 27 wide. Animal grips. Snafu plastic bar ends. Snafu C2 brake lever. Odyssey cable. Amber top load stem. A stock kink volt forks and a stock front wheel, which is a alienation PBR laced to a Mission Echo hub. Kenda tire. 2012 kink whip frame. Stock Mission transit cranks. Some rust on there. Odyssey twisted PCs. Animal cush seat. Back wheel is a premium hub laced to a black sheep. Stock arm brakes, brake arms. Odyssey A brake cables. Main pads. I'm dumb. Don't know how to talk. Kink 25 tooth sprocket. Yeah. Oh, the back wheel is a Animal Tom Whitewall. Oh, the back wheel came from the premium conversion kit.